They say you can't outrun your past, but in Vice City, your past always catches up.
One more score, and we're gone, Bruce. I swear, please.
In a world where power changes faster than the tides,
You kids think this city's a playground. Guess history's got one last job for us. The rules never changed. Only the players.